The market environment is changing rapidly. Technological innovation is developing with each passing day. Dinhan Enterprise keeps pace with the development of market to demonstrate its demeanor in a field of linear transmission. Dinhan SHAC Enterprise predecessor was founded in 2007 with a great vision of creating an international brand and growing into first-class transmission enterprise. After many years of hard work, SHAC company is developing steadily in a fierce market competition based on the strong scientific innovation capacity and technical force. The company is taking a leading position in the field of linear transmission. SHAC products are well marketed at China domestic and have partners more than 50 countries. SHAC products are widely used in various high-tech industries and have established stable strategic cooperation with top-ranked enterprises in domestic and foreign industries, such as automation, CNC machinery, injection molding machines, 3C, semiconductor, medical equipment, lithium battery and photovoltaic industries. Dinhan Enterprise own brand of SHAC stands for surgeon, high technology, attitude, and cooperation, motivated by the requirements of customers. Dinhan Enterprise overcame all obstacles on the market to blaze its own way, following the operation ideals of people-oriented, honest and integrity, business promotion by quality, continuous innovation. Dinhan bases itself on the high-end market of linear guide and ball screw to provide the customers with precision linear transmission assemblies, such as linear guide, ball screws, linear module, and so on. The precision of Dinhan products is in the leading position of the industry. Dinhan SHAC is always focusing on the equipment, update and strict product quality control system. In order to expand the reproduction, Lishui Jiaxiang Technology Company Limited was invested and registered in 2013 to be the first manufacturing base. The base around 45,000 square meters, Zhejiang Jianzhuang Transmission Technology Company Limited was invested and registered in 2020 a second factory base. The base around 65,000 square meters. The company provides a one-stop solution from all aspects of production, R&D, mold making, import equipment and raw materials, finish machining, assembly and packaging. SHAC factory, there are several professional lab, injection molding workshops and advanced constant temperature workshops to lay a solid foundation for achieving high-quality products. Dinhan SHAC Enterprise has been rated as a national high-tech enterprise, strictly follows the international standards such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and so on. From raw material purchase to product sale, have implemented strict control to ensure product quality. The company adheres to the employing concept of not only academic but also ability, not only seniority but also achievements, exploit potency, take advantage of strength, give priority to talents, survival of the fittest, transferring the enterprise culture and values to every employee. Based in Zhejiang, facing to China, on the way towards the world, Dinhan will continue to take the exact market demand as an entry point, keep improve its own innovation capacity, continuously provide customers with high-quality products and service, committed to independent R&D of equipment, and inspection technology to produce and sell higher precision transmission products, moving towards the goal of excellent enterprises in the field of transmission, strive to contribution to China's smart manufacturing.